think most of our stuff is already packed except Brian's. That's our stuff this morning. It's April 15th. Zane, I gotta tell you something. Si Bugs gani.
Bugs Bunny?
No. Oy, si Bugs nag-give ni mo 25 Australian dollars. Huh?
Yes! Thank you! Thank you, Bugs, for giving me 25 Australian dollars.
Hi guys, it's 9:59. We already done packing tonight. We're going to sleep on the floor tonight because we don't want to rush tomorrow. I'm going to show you outside what it looks like right now. So everything is there. Oh my god, and some of our stuff is already in our car because we're gonna bring some stuff too. So this is what the truck driver's gonna haul tomorrow. I'm really sorry guys if I'm talking gibberish right now because I'm so tired. Everyone is tired.
The next day.
this in the car?
Yeah, I'm going to put that in the car, the dog snacks too. So I'm gonna check upstairs, guys. This is the first time you're gonna see the whole house. Going upstairs, this is like a kind of living room upstairs area. And Zane's bedroom. Nothing. Michelle's bedroom. Oh my god. We're really gonna leave this house now. Bathroom, gone. Go downstairs. Hi, Miss Yale. Hi, Miss Yale. Wala na. Oh. Yes. Yay! Where's your phone then? Oh, okay. The driver's at the back. Bye bye house. Say bye to your old surroundings. To the new beginning. To be continued for the better future.
Bye, house.
Bye. We're doing this.
Hi, people. Hi. Hi.
Not there.
It's over there. Look.
Anak, kuan mo gud siya gud.
Hi, people. Hi. Hi.
See people? See people out there? Hello. Look at that. Beauty. I know, si Ugda mo siya.
Oh, look at you.
Look at you. So cute.
The next day.
We brought it here. So while Ate Michelle is doing that, we're gonna check the people that is working in the house right now. That's the king of the house. Yeah. We got a pool table, but I'm not gonna show everything right now because it's very disorganized. I'm gonna do a whole vlog for the next video. So right now people are working because we don't have water since last night we got here. We didn't have water, so we couldn't shower, so we are actually just using mineral water because the pipe has a leak. So we have another deep well here, so I'll show you guys.
Kailan yung leg? Ay, pagwan.